This is the Insta360 X5. This is their flagship camera, their tippy top of the line with a new and improved bigger sensor. Now this has some other great little upgrades, but I want to tell you why I think that this is the most fun I've had with a camera on vacation in a very long time. The Insta360 X5 might be my favorite new vacation camera. Now we have something with a bigger sensor, so we're able to get better footage even at nighttime. We were getting 8K 30 footage, a lot of really great flexible formats for shooting video, some photo options as well, but there are some features that I think are definitely worth mentioning. First of all, we have better battery life. This is huge, especially when you're on vacation. Now, it does take a micro SD memory card, just like the predecessors. I also really love that this camera is just so flexible in terms of how you can use it. You can attach it to so many different accessories, and the interface is integrated so that you can use different hand gestures and movement to actually operate the camera. The touchscreen is very handy as well, and you're able to use that to preview your footage too. Now, you can use the app as well when you connect it to your smartphone, and that will give you the ability to control the camera as well as play back and edit some video sequences. Now, if you've never used 360 footage before, it's a different experience. You're literally getting that 360 view of the action. And so when you're filming it, you're able to get things that you might not see when you're actually looking at your subject, things that are around you, or if your subject's moving all around the frame, you can use some of their built-in AI features so it'll automatically track the subject in post, and you can have a very dynamic video. We also love how rugged the Insta360 cameras are. Now this guy here has an IP rating, and it can go down to up to 15 meters underwater. Now pro tip, if you are using this in the ocean, make sure that you wash off with fresh water all of that sand and grit and salt water afterwards using fresh water to make sure that all the little, crevices don't have all that gunk in there. That's really going to help prolong the life of your camera. Another thing that Insta360 has implemented is the ability for the consumer to actually change out the lenses. So before, you could actually change out the cover of them, but not the lenses themselves. Now they are giving you this option, so if you're really rough on your camera and that is something that ends up breaking, you are able to make that fix at home all by yourself. Overall, I think this is a pretty compelling tool, especially if you're going on vacation, you're going on adventures, you want something that's a little bit different and you want to have fun with it. This is definitely something to consider. The video footage I think is absolutely stunning, especially when you're on a beautiful place, like Mexico on vacation. It's easy to fall in love with it. But I think it has some compelling features as well. So let me know what you think about it by commenting below. If you're new to our channel, please subscribe, hit the notification bell. We're hoping to talk about this a little bit more in depth soon. It's been Evelyn at the camera store. We'll catch you again very soon.